this video is going to show you how to organize your pictures for this week, for Spirit Week, and also how to compress your pictures so that you can upload them to Schoology. So I'm going to walk you through the basic process. Here I am logging into the server, which you should already know how to do. It's going to take just a second here. Hopefully everything's working with the server. It is. I'm going to the shared yearbook Dropbox. We're going to 2018, 2019, and in here I'm going to go ahead and make the homecoming folder that we're going to use for the week, homecoming 2018. And in that folder I'm going to make one for each day, so heroes and villains. I'm going to make another folder, elderly people. Oh, I put the wrong folder. I'm going to move that in just a second. Tacky Tourist Day. I'm going to go ahead and move Tacky Tourist to this main folder here. Well, there we go. And last, Color Wars. Alright, so when you go to put your pictures for the day in here, what I want you to do is create another new folder. You can do that by holding Shift, Command, and N. Holding Shift and Command and pressing N, excuse me, or going File, New Folder, if that helps. And then you're going to put your name or your group name here, whatever, you know, Group 2 or Jaden or Bumblebee. All right, and that is where you're going to put your pictures for heroes and villains in your group folder. So let's just pretend that I've got a bunch of pictures. I don't yet, but I'm going to say I got these two pictures, and I'm going to copy them over here. Boom, they're in my folder. Now, you've got your 50 pictures for that day. You're ready to upload them to Schoology. You must compress them into a new folder. It's really easy to do that. So you would highlight your images, right-click, or if your computer isn't right-clicking, hold Control and click, and you will get this option. And you're going to compress however many items. It should be 50, because you're supposed to turn in 50. If you did more than 50, or you have like 65 amazing photos and you want to give them all to me, that is fine too. More is not going to get your grade hurt. You're going to compress them. It'll take a minute, and you're going to get one new thing. It's going to be called archive.zip. You must rename this. So again, rename it Group 2 Heroes Villains. Okay? And this is what you're going to upload on the Schoology. So you go to our assignment for Hero and Villain Day, click Submit Assignment. The first tab is the upload option. There's a little button that says File. You click that, attach your zip that you just made, and you are good to go. So make sure it's going to have a .zip ending. That's the only way you're going to be able to upload all 50 photos to me on Schoology. If you run into any problems, come get me. Otherwise, that's how you do it.